Tom, the wind has been a factor all day, and it certainly is right now. And I actually, believe it or not, I just tried to run my windshield wipers to try and clear off some of the stuff on my windshield. Wipers are frozen, so got to clear those off in a minute. So just, things we got to deal with. But take a look behind me. You can see the wind whipping the snow all over the place. The roads are, crews are doing the best that they can. They're keeping up with the conditions at this point. There is some bare pavement on Route 28. But really, there's not a lot of people out, which is a good thing. This is normally a busy area of Salem. It is not tonight. Crews are doing the best that they can to keep up with things. And, the message, as it is all over the state, is just stay home, ride out the storm from the comfort of inside with the warmth. Reporting live in Salem, Mike Cronin, WMUR News.